Good day, guys. Welcome to day 39 of my 100 days coding challenge. And today, I'll be encrypting the user password. So before that, let me show you something in my database. This is a user that we registered yesterday, and the user password is showing, as you can see, Bernard123. So imagine that someone have access to your database where you store all the information of your users, and the person altered the password of your user. That means that the person have hacked that particular user. So for you to prevent that, you have to know how to encrypt the password of your user as a backend developer who always work on the backend of the website or the mobile app. So let me go to VS Code and show you how to do it. But before that, let me come here. So we'll be using a library called bcrypt library. It's a library in Node.js, and it's a valuable tool to use to hash and store password. You use it to hash a password and store it into a database. And for you to install this library, you have to type on your terminal by writing npm install bcrypt.js. This is the name of the library, and this is how to install it, right? So I'll go to my VS Code and show you how to go about it. So I've already installed the library in this my project, and I assign it to, after installing it, I import it and I assign it to bcrypt. So this is what I'm going to use in the project, right? So this is where the creation of the user, everything takes place, right? This is where you actually make the user to register on the platform, right? So before this particular place, you have to encrypt the password first before the user will be able to register, right? So you will now create a constant, name it sort, then await bcrypt dot change sort, then take an argument 10. This 10 means any length of random number that you want to generate, or random character that you want to generate to encrypt the password. The length, you can say 50, you can say 10, you can say 20. So I'm using 10 here. Then you now create another constant again. Name it hash password. You assign it to await bcrypt hash, right? Then this particular one will take two arguments, which is the password that you want to hash, then the sort, the characters that you have generated, right? So you now come here. You say constant user await user dot create name, email, password. So you now point the password, this password now, you now point it to the hash password that you have already hashed, right? And store it in the database, right? So that's it. So let me go to my Postman and test this line of codes. So let me create another user here. Let me create another user. Let me send. Yes. Okay, you have successfully created a user. So let me go to my database and refresh. Yes, as you can see, this is a password. Even you as admin, you cannot know the password of that user. So this is how it works. Thank you very much for following. Bye. Please subscribe to my YouTube.